Friends, it's time for us to talk about our letters. So let's do a little bit of practice, and I want you to turn your first ear on for me. Is you ready to listen? So Miss Tobin's going to say a word, and I want you to shout out that first sound, the beginning sound that you hear, because then what we're going to do is we're actually going to chop those beginning sounds from the rest of the word. All right, are you ready to practice? All right, your word is zip. What do you hear? Z. Word is pan. What do you hear? P. Word is bike. B. Let's do two more. Word is rain. What do you hear? Great sound. Last one. Word is sun. What do you hear? S. I like how you're keeping those sounds nice and short. All right, so now I want you to get your choppers ready. All right, we're going to chop that first sound that we hear in that word from the rest of the word. And then we're going to throw it away today. Are you ready? All right, Miss Tobin's going to say the word first. Man. We hear and. Throw it away. So try it one more time with me. Word is man. Chop it. And. Throw it away. Let's try another one. Word is wet. First sound we hear is w. Rest of the word, et. Throw it away. Try it one more time with me. Wet. W. Et. Throw it away. Okay, let's do a couple more. Word is now. First sound we hear is n. Rest of the word, ow. Throw it away. Try it with me. Now. N. Ow. Throw it away. Last one. Word is park. First sound, p. Rest of the word, arc. Throw it away. Try one more time. Park. P. Arc. Throw it away. All right, now what I'm going to do is I am going to tell you to add a sound to the beginning of a word. And I want to see if you can tell me what that new word is. Okay, so if I have the part of the word un, like in run, sun, fun, bun, un. Okay, so I have un. That's my part of my word. Okay, if I add the sound s at the beginning, s, un, what's the new word? Sun. You got it, friends. Let's try another one. We still do our part un. Okay, add f at the beginning. Un. What's our new word? Fun. You got it. Let's do a couple more. Still have un, part of our word. Let's add at the beginning. Un. What is it? Run. That's a tricky one, because that sound is kind of silly. Un. Run. Okay, let's try a couple more. Part of our word, un. Add b. Un. What's our new word? Bun. You got it, friends. All right, last one. Ooh, okay, you ready for this one? This is a silly word. Got un, add at the beginning. Un. What is it? Mun. Okay? Sometimes we like to do those silly words. They don't always have to be real words. All right, last one. Hey, we're going to play a little game, and I'm going to tell you the word, and I'm going to tell you to take either the beginning sound or that last part of the word off, and I want you to tell me what's left. Okay? So let's do the word tap. Take away t. What's left? App. So think t, app. Take away t. What's left? App. You got it, friends. And let's try another one. Word is map. Take away what's left? App. App. Take away app. And let's try two more. Word is lap. Okay, take away what's left? App. You got it, friends. All right, last one. Word is sap. Take away app. What's left? S. Remember? S. App. Take away s. App. But if we did it the opposite way, like Miss Tobin wanted you to, hey, that was s. App. Take away app. What sounds left? S. Friends, awesome job listening to those sounds today. Friends, you are doing a great job. Keep up the awesome work.